I'm going to share a story about how I had a spiritual awakening moment in a club. Literally in a nightclub in Bali with all the noise, the music, all that stuff. But this just proves the power of presence. So I used to think that in order for me to have a spiritual awakening moment, I have to be in a meditation, in stillness, alone, isolated. But when I was in Bali last month, I went to a club, and literally in that moment, I was so present. Like I was just truly there. I wasn't thinking about yesterday or tomorrow. I was with my family and we were just having a genuinely great time. I was so present in that moment that I felt my heart open up. I felt so grateful to be alive in that very second. And I remember looking around at everybody and thinking about how, oh my God, reality is a game. I was having a download in the middle of a nightclub and it happened so fast and so quick. And I remember just like feeling so grateful and feeling so connected to my soul in that moment. And I realized like the download that I was having is wherever you are, as long as you are there, you are present, that is when your soul can come in. That is when the downloads can come through. Because when you are present, there is no separation between you and soul. Your soul can only speak to you in the now. It's not when you're busy ruminating on the past or creating a vision for the future. Your soul is in the present moment. And in that moment of connection, your soul can speak to you and through your body. I had a similar experience walking in a mall just literally yesterday. It was a moment of pure presence and I felt my heart open and I could feel that gratitude of being alive. And I feel like this happens when I'm not in my head, right? It's when I'm walking, when I'm deeply connected to my body. I'm not overthinking anything. I'm not, again, ruminating on past thoughts. I'm simply being. This is why I teach the anti-manifesting way of manifesting. You can get the guide at the link in my profile, by the way, but it's really the art of living. It's the art of being. It's the art of being you and the art of coming back into the present moment again and again and again. Like that moment in the nightclub just proved to me that it doesn't matter the environment that you're in, because sometimes we judge the environment too, right? We're like, oh, this is a nightclub. There's, people drinking and there's alcohol, there's blah, blah, blah. And the stories that you tell about your experience sometimes blocks you from having a perfect present moment, or that moment of pure presence. So really what I learned from that entire experience is as long as you're present, it doesn't matter where you are. As long as you're connected to the heart, as long as you lean into the body, like actually drop into where you are, you're able to be one with your soul. And it doesn't matter the environment. It doesn't matter how crowded or how noisy it is. It doesn't matter what's around you. You're able to have your own experience of reality when you are connected to the heart. And like the download that I had was so profound because there was a moment where I was looking at everybody and I was like, oh my God, like I am the only consciousness that exists in this reality. Like the sense that I got was that reality is a simulation in a game, and like I could just press pause right now and everybody would stop. Like I literally had goosebumps in that moment because I was like, oh my God, I understand what people say when they say that as consciousness, we are the programmer and the experiencer. Is that a word? The programmer and the person that experiences the matrix. I just thought I would share this little story today. I hope you're having a good day.